Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So what happens then? Well, this exact question became a terrifying reality for a massive food distributor.
The company, UNFI, spotted a cyber threat, and they made a really drastic defensive move.
To stop the attack's spread, they shut down their entire network. Operations just stopped.
And just like that, product deliveries to thousands of stores halted. You can guess what happened next.
So no official announcement was made, right? But experts knew almost immediately what was up. How?
Because they recognized the pattern. It was the calling card of a very specific attack, ransomware.
And the UNFI incident? Yeah, it had all three of these classic tells, these ransomware hallmarks.
So why do it? Well, these attacks are designed to cause maximum financial pain to force a payout. You can see the goal here. Create immense pressure by crushing sales and racking up huge costs. Like this expert said, this amount of chaos isn't just a glitch. Nope, it's a deliberate strategy. And just look at the recovery time. It took a full 21 days just to get their core systems back online.
The ripple effect was huge. It hit everyone, from big chains down to your local neighborhood co-op.
And this is the key takeaway, right? Digital chaos has very real consequences for all of us.
So if you learn to spot these patterns, you can identify major threats before they're even announced.
And that's what's really at stake. The systems we rely on every single day are vulnerable. Binge on our playlists on a marathon watch note to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense